Imagine you're writing a story and want to show the readers exactly what's in your mind. Maybe it's a castle floating on the clouds, or a friendly robot baking cookies in a kitchen. But there's just one problem. You aren't sure how to draw it, and you don't have the time to create it yourself. Now imagine, there's a special assistant who can instantly turn your words into pictures. You simply tell it what you're imagining, and within seconds, it hands you an image exactly like the one in your mind. This magical sounding assistant is real, and it's called AI image generation. Without going into too much detail about what's going on behind the scenes, AI image generation uses computers that have learned from millions of images to create new ones, based purely on what you describe. Here's how it works. You type in a detailed description, known as a prompt, into the AI image generator. For example, you might type something like a cozy mountain cabin at night glowing warmly under the stars. Then, the AI interprets your description and creates an original image that matches your prompt, almost instantaneously. This means you don't need artistic skills or fancy software to create impressive visuals. Just a good description and a little creativity. Just like we learned in Module 3, the more clearly and specifically you describe your idea, the better your image will match what you're picturing. So, AI image generation isn't just about technology, it's about making your imagination visible. It gives everyone, artists, writers, teachers, and even kids, a powerful way to quickly create visual content. Ready to see exactly how it works? Let's explore. So, what exactly is AI image generation? AI image generation is the process of transforming textual or conceptual prompts into visual art or realistic images using diffusion models. In simpler terms, it's when a computer uses an artificial intelligence to turn your descriptions or ideas into actual pictures. For instance, imagine typing the phrase, "a futuristic cityscape at sunset" in a watercolor style. Within seconds, the AI generates an original watercolor painting of exactly what you've described, complete with the glowing buildings, a colorful sky, and a creative artistic touch. AI image generation makes visual creativity accessible to everyone, regardless of your artistic skills. It brings your imagination to life instantly, giving you a powerful new way to communicate your ideas visually. Now that we know what AI image generation is, let's look at the benefits of using it. Using AI for image generation offers significant advantages, making visual creativity accessible, efficient, and effective. Let's look at the 3 key benefits. Number 1, speed and efficiency. AI rapidly produces prototypes and creative concepts. This means you can instantly visualize ideas that would otherwise take hours or days to complete. Variety and inspiration. With AI, you can effortlessly explore multiple artistic styles or perspectives at once. It's like having an entire creative team at your fingertips. Accessibility. Even without artistic training, anyone can quickly generate high-quality visuals. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create stunning images. In fact, according to this article, Why Every Company Should Use AI Image Generators, businesses across many industries like retail, real estate, and e-commerce are embracing these tools because they streamline marketing, lower production costs, and enable highly customized visuals tailored specifically to their audiences. Whether you're designing a campaign, visualizing products, or creating engaging content, AI-generated images help you to do it faster, better, and more effectively than ever before. As you can see, there are many benefits to using AI to generate images, but it's not without its problems. While AI-generated images offer exciting possibilities, they also raise important ethical questions. Here are 6 major things to consider. Ownership and copyright. AI-generated images currently lack clear copyright protections, creating significant legal uncertainties. For example, if you use an AI tool to create artwork, who actually owns it? Is it the person who typed the prompt, the creators of the AI tool, or perhaps even the AI itself? As of now, the law remains unclear. Impact on human artists. AI art can democratize creativity, giving anybody the ability to produce compelling visuals, but this accessibility could also threaten traditional artistic careers. Many human artists worry that AI might reduce their opportunities or devalue their creative work. However, some view AI as a collaborative tool rather than competition, enhancing creativity rather than replacing it. Cultural appropriation and bias. AI models learn from existing datasets, which means that it's trained on limited or biased data. They can unintentionally misrepresent or stereotype cultures. For instance, if an AI has primarily learned from Western art, it might inaccurately or insensitively depict other cultures, reinforcing harmful stereotypes or cultural appropriation. Environmental cost. AI image generation requires significant computing power, resulting in considerable energy consumption. Since much of this energy currently comes from fossil fuels, every AI-generated image has an environmental impact. Deepfakes and misinformation. AI-generated images have the power to create incredibly realistic visuals, known as deepfakes, which can be misused to spread false or misleading information. From fake political photos to fabricated events, the potential for misinformation is a serious concern as AI becomes more advanced. And ethical AI art guidelines. To use AI responsibly, follow these key guidelines. Transparency. Always clearly disclose when you're using AI-generated art. Copyright respect. Understand and respect legal guidelines related to AI-generated visuals. Bias awareness. Be aware of the biases in the training data and correct and acknowledge them. Sustainability. Advocate for environmentally free AI practices. Truthfulness. Avoid using AI-generated images to deceive or harm others. Being mindful of these considerations ensures ethical, responsible use of AI image generators. Next, we'll explore AI image generation firsthand.